just bought books for the kids. Now we'll be taking out their school bag. Yeah, she's carrying her book. She'll be studying class 8, both of them. So this is their books. This is a market in Ukhrul Bazaar. Bag na? Oh, okay. He wants me to buy a school bag for him. One each, yeah? Okay. Let's go and buy it. One bag. School bag, new bag, no? Yes, I'll buy for you. Let's go and take it out. That's Ukhrul down hall. Very old down hall. No changes, nothing, no renovation. It's how full our down hall traditional dog. Is that County Job statue? Sentinel College. Oh. Show you around. Ukhrul down a little bit. It's good to be back in this Ukhrul Bazaar. It's the back. Let's ask the price. How much they are going to ask the price? Sadla, what happened? Your friend? Aman. They are excited. They are trying out whether it's looking big or small. I'm being with business customer since they are kids, they are very juicy. I don't know, whatever. Trying out. It's good on you. Turn around. It's good. Finally we've taken the bag. We bought the bag. So okay. One is same bag. Finally, one package. Shoes we're looking for pata shoes. Yeah. This is Ukhrul Viewland. Is she here? We are here. We are calculating the expenses. Our money is over, so no more restaurant. Everyone is looking hungry, tired, but no money. We have bought shoes, bags, books, now uniform. We don't have money anymore. So we're just waiting for a friend to go to cafe and have something. He's taking care of his new bag. Wants to check what's inside his bag, new bag. What's that? Plastic. What is this? Empty. Keep inside your bag. We'll throw it later on. What happened? What do you want? Chocolate. Where's chocolate? Our poor team. What you got? One. No other budget. Where's yours?
Now let's try.
Everyone is hungry, so I just bought the juice, the 10 rupees one. Here, क्या था भैया? 10. Having juice, jelly for 20 rupees. No budget for other. They're back. So, how is it? Good? We are here in Undergrowth new restaurant. It's in Newland. How is it? Is it good?
Good.
Kuchangka?
Good.
Cheers out liver. Ăn rồi. Chọn một xin chú mà xem liver xong phun đi. Hả? Sai sắp rất là. Nhá. Chắc ăn lên phân lấy. Chắc ăn lên phân. Mất thằng nào nữa kìa. Sao vậy? Second round. Upper market. We shall make a. Sao ấy cái sinh dữ lấy gì mà không khi cầm nó lấy gì? We are exploring Vishal for the first time, so we are very excited, and I'm also excited. Let me show you around.
Second time.
You came second time.
Oh.
Right here.
He
loved me. They get you No. This chili buying. What's good? They are all excited. The young lo, sinqui lo, like a hell, yeah. In Palayan, sinqui lo. No, we had no, we need a sinqui no. I sinqui lo, came down the single for like a high cell. Entirely dead. No, that's a sinqui like a hell. I may be some lame in the sinqui la hell. Hả? Khi ta chưa
box.
ta chắc sao vậy rồi?
Đi chắc cái sao thế? À cái này bên thế, cái này.
Mới đi chơi. Nó đang in the video.
Ai vậy khui rồi khui bài iling rít lấy. Tôi liền thà là. À dần nó mới lo mình là cũng. Chân. Mà tổng si li first cái tổng là gì nè? Cái gì là ai sờ này với xin gì gì vậy? Li cái tổng.
À bây giờ.
Li phải ta được là khẳng chân thảm là. Cái gì sẽ? Cái gì được là đi tao chỉ là gì?
Aku gini nak.
Vì chỉ zero đó ta khai chân thế.
Aku gini nak. Ani ni. Ani. Oh.
잠깐만. Oh, finally we reach. Oh, come on, look here, everyone. Oh, we reach home.
We came home.
We came home. So,
Finally come.
oh, it's dark here. That's my house, that yellow, tiny, small one. See trees, a lot of trees. Oh, just see you. We reach home.
Yeah!
So we will open up the things which we bought today. The little things that we bought. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
Our room is a little messy. So these are the things that we bought today. Shoes, whoa, pata shoes. The bag, all these bags.
Wow.
What?
The
The nice bag.
XO.
XO.
Open, let it open it.
Wow.
Oh, we came this.
What's that? Huh?
It's a box.
Oh,
Like this,
just
like
for
this.
you. This is what is this?
Box.
Box. All these bags. Ben, here, Sabir. Here, inside it's a book. Inside what's there inside the bag? Book. So the things that we bought, but it looks little, but it costs a lot. So new books, we'll start studying again. What happened? Happy?
I'll use egg. I'll use egg.
This is it. Thank you.
Oh, 여봐.
Kaluma.